Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do that. Click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's see what we'll be expecting for today, which is for the fourth on gold. So if you take a look at this, if you have been watching my analysis properly, you would have seen I told you guys that do not sell from here. I mean, this is kind of like a major resistance level, right? This is a major resistance level. I told you guys that when if you sell from here, you are going to get stopped out because market is going to push up. This is exactly what market has done. Markets eventually pushed up. So to those of you that actually saw this as sell level, this is literally a liquidity level. This is exactly what I know. You know, if you have been trading gold for a long time, you will know that something like this would happen, whereby markets will push up. A lot of people were selling here. Markets kind of range within this level for some time, and guess what? It has already pushed up. So with what I'm saying, gold should give us a pullback and we will continue the movement to the upside. So I've literally done analysis on the weekly aspects on gold. I told you guys that gold will be heading to a level of 21,000, right? I said it that gold will be heading to a level of 21,000, which it has actually does that. So literally we'll be looking to cover more on gold in the Patreon channel. So guys, if you trade gold professionally and you're interested in trading gold, be it the entry point, one or two things to learn, a potential exit point, take profit point, in-depth analysis on gold, the possible news that will affect this gold. Everything we covered in the Patreon channel. So you will find a link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. Join us there and you will get access to everything that you need to trade gold professionally. Like I said on my weekly analysis on gold, I said that we are heading straight to a level of 21,000, right? 21,000. Guess what? Gold has literally spiked up to the level of 21,000, even broke above it. So we got to a level of 21,125. You can see it 21,125. With what I'm seeing now, gold should give us a little bit of a pullback and a movement to the upside. More of this will be covered on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, join us. You will find the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section.